Oh, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's the Jinzo here. I apologize for not doing a video yesterday. A bunch of shit with my recordings. Just one time it didn't. Uh, one time the recording stopped. Another time, there was an error in the video uploading. Not uploading, but recording. And then there was another. Third time, it was like there was an error or something with the video actually uploading. So everything just like kept going on, and I was not able to upload. And I was feeling good. I'm still not feeling good, but so yeah, I had a bad day yesterday with this shit. Hmm. He's probably like the worst card in my hand. Special this draw. Definitely not what I wanted in my hand. I don't need another one. I don't know what to summon. Like, what would be like the worst card? I guess this. I just don't like the odds of it. Cool. He what I needed. Ain't that lucky? One, two, three. I need a lot more cards in hand, engraved to Damn, that luck. I almost feel sorry for the guy. Yeah, this is how you play Danger Dark World. You keep catching snow with snow. That way, you keep deck thinning and blessing cards. By the way, this is for the new FNL list. So I do play 2 Dark Arm Dragons. I will put that at the bottom, Brow at the bottom, and this at the bottom. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ducks engraved, so I can banish 5 of them. I will banish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. What the hell? Ah, now the beginning of the end. That sucks. Anywho, so I was gonna Skull Dread Special Snow. I wasn't gonna tell him that I had a Brow in my hand. That would have been dumb. Summon Grappa. I don't know what I would have done next. I guess he got disconnected. It's advanced unrated. Oh. So let's try it again. My IQ is 195. Doubtful. People who tend to have to brag about their IQ probably doesn't really have a high IQ after all. So I did open up a Dark Arm. That's good. Assuming he hasn't discarded it. Ugh. Mystic Mine. Wonderful. He's playing like a Mystic Mine burn deck. I can technically stop popping shit before um I summon anything, which is really good. What? Like, no, I gave you plenty of time. No, that's bullshit. I'll be right back, y'all guys. I'm gonna call a judge. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Judge ruled with me that it was definitely a way too long of a wait to, you know, for that to fly. So now I have knowledge of what that is, so I'm not gonna pop it. I'm not worried about it. Wait, which one did he land on? Point at Exodius, the ultimate forbidden one. Of course he does. Special Bigfoot. And I draw another Exodius. Wow. Okay. He just got the Exodius again. What the hell? Huh? Oh. Did I draw? Um. Yeah, I drew off of it. Okay. You go to each card that you control. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, wait. 3. Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. That's fine. Um. Do I have a link too that I can make? Yes, I have him. Cool. Oh, it has to be two monsters with different names. Fuck. Um discard this, target this. So I think I won just because I cleared his field. So that's good. Shuffle it back. Okay. So I'm gonna link into. This is something I was wanting to summon Dalcom to deal with this shit, but that is looking like it's not gonna happen. So He doesn't have Mystic Mine, I don't think. So I'm gonna be able to go off. I'm hoping that this ends in time. Okay, you were feeling 3 ring instructions. Oh, okay. So yeah, okay. Um, he does trigger off the summon. Dangers do get the effects off of discarding off the effects of nightmares, which is pretty damn busted to be honest. Um, um, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess. So you just go dread because all you just go dread be good. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 2, 3, 4. Bottom, bottom, bottom. I guess. Um, one. What is this? Another? Yeah. Oh, by the way, we did get Skull Dreads finally. Two. That's 3, 4, which is nice. That 5. Yeah. 2, 3. Oh wait, you could. He has a dog vibe. My apologies. Uh. Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, you can. Oh, right. I got. Oh, so he could have dogfight it. He couldn't dogfight it. Really? I don't remember what I drew. I that. So anyway, I'm continuing on. 1, 2, 3. If I can get Dogcom, I can actually summon it. Spanish, no, I guess. So I actually have a good odds of him hitting something that would pop the Dark Bride. Not that it matters too much, but and of course he hits that. Okay. Um. I'm assuming that he doesn't have like an Ash Blossom or anything. Also, I apologize for this video taking so long. I'll get you guys later. This is Jinzo. Just enjoy the rest of this fucking video. Uh, because he's wasted too much time. Uh, Banish. It doesn't matter what he hits. Actually, it does. If he hits no, then it.